Ma, nagbihis ka na po ba? Ma? Ma? Una na po, ma. Bye-bye.
Tara doon tayo kain sa kantin.
Cafeteria na naman.
Guys, what's your baon?
I don't have baon, but I ordered something from Conti's.
And you didn't even yaya me?
Why would I yaya you?
Ramen, what's your bao? It's beef yakiniku from Lost Burger.
Wait, it's from Japan, but it's made in the Philippines.
So it's vegan?
It's beef.
Yeah, but why is it vegan? It's beef.
Have you ever gone to science class?
Anyway, shut up, Veronica. Clyde, what's your baon?
Ay, hindi. Kumain na kasi ako sa bahay bago pumasok eh. Baka sa library na lang muna ako, guys, ha? Tatapusin pa kasi ako mga pendings ko eh. Bye! Bye!
Why guys? Diba sabi sa inyo, ginagawa lang ko ito palagi. Ayos lang ako guys, promise.
Clyde, you like this, diba?
Hindi, okay lang to.
No, you can have
Okay lang
this.
to.
This
Okay
is
lang to,
much more
promise.
better than
Okay lang.
I'm so sorry, Clyde. I'm really sorry, Clyde. I really didn't mean to. I'm so clumsy. I'm sorry, Clyde. Bigla na nakita ng bagong trip. Ako na maglinis.
No. You don't have to clap. It's just call the janitor para maglinis na to. Wait ka riyan.
Ate, palinis po. This is because of my dad. He's always at the city hall and he never has time for me.
Your father is the mayor, right? Mine kasi working from abroad eh. Pero still, nabibigay pa yung mga needs ko.
Like, enough na yun. How about you? Right.
Nasikaso pa namin ni Mama yung requirements ko for scholarship.
Oh, siya man nga pala.
Oo nga, Claire. You never mentioned anything sa amin, ah. Hala guys, sorry. May klase pa pala ako. Anong oras na pala? Una na ako sa inyo, ah. Lipitin ko na lang.
May people para sa job na yan, Claire.
Alam mo guys, maliit na bagay lang. Kumpara sa buong araw nilang pagtatrabaho.
Ma, nakabihis ka na po ba? Ma! Sandali lang. Palabas na. Ayan! Opa! Naman! Tara na, Ma. Tara, let's go.
Sandali lang guys, sama si Sir lang ako. Wait ako, ah.
Oh, bakit malinis tong table natin? Tsaka bakit nagtatapo ng basura si... Kayo ba nag-asikaso nito?
Alam mo, Claire, we saw you earlier with your mom papasok ng campus. Why di mo sa amin sinabi that I was working pala here? Sorry guys, hindi na talaga ako komportable na ikwento yung buhay namin. So much like kinakaya ko kung ano lang. Hindi ko lang talaga alam paano pang sasabihin.
No, don't be sorry. In fact, we would like to thank you.
Oh, bakit? Para saan? Kasi you taught us how to see different things. And you taught us how to see from your perspective. Masaya ako ng ganun. Kung akalain na matatanggap nyo. Saka, matuto pa kayo. Kaya, thank you din sa inyo guys. Group hug? Group hug!
Jana, can you clean this up for me, please? Clean this up, please? Oh my gosh, sige na nga ako na lang nilinis. Lagi nyo na lang iniisip yung sarili nyo. Lagi nyo na lang ako inaaway. Ano ba tayo ganyan? Oh my gosh!